وحسبوا ألا تكون فتنة فعموا وصموا ثم تاب الله عليهم ثم عموا وصموا كثير منهم والله بصير بما يعملون.
Thinking that no harm would come from it, thus they became blind and deaf to the truth. Thereafter Allah turned towards them in gracious forgiveness, but many of them became even more deaf and blind to the truth. Allah sees all that they do.
لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم وقال المسيح يا بني إسرائيل اعبدوا الله ربي وربكم إنه من يشرك بالله فقد حرم الله عليه الجنة ومأواه النار وما للظالمين من أنصار.
And surely they disbelieved when they said, Christ, the son of Mary, is indeed God. Whereas Christ had said, Children of Israel, serve Allah, who is your Lord and my Lord. Allah has forbidden paradise to those who associate anything with Him in His divinity, and their refuge shall be the fire. No one will be able to help such wrongdoers.
لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله ثالث ثلاثة وما من إله إلا إله واحد وإن لم ينتهوا عما يقولون ليمسن الذين كفروا منهم عذاب أليم.
Those who said, Allah is one of the three, certainly they disbelieved, for there is no God save the one God, and if they do not give up this claim, all who have disbelieved among them shall be subjected to painful chastisement.
أفلا يتوبون إلى الله ويستغفرونه والله غفور رحيم.
Will they not then turn to Allah in repentance and ask for His forgiveness? Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.
ما المسيح ابن مريم إلا رسول قد خلت من قبله الرسل وأمه صديقة كانا يأكلان الطعام انظر كيف نبين لهم الآيات ثم انظر أنى يؤفكون.
The Messiah, son of Mary, was no more than a messenger before whom many messengers have passed away, and his mother adhered wholly to truthfulness, and they both ate food as other mortals do. See how we make our signs clear to them, and see where they are turning away.